Hi, my name is Melanie Rose, and welcome to my topic presentation on why is Pakistan so concerned about Indian influence in Afghanistan. Pakistan is concerned about Indian influence in Afghanistan because of the fear they will be encircled and taken over. India's first Prime Minister, Minister Nehru, said in 1950, "May I say in this connection, that because of the great tension between Pakistan and Afghanistan over various matters, we are continually being charged with having secret intrigues with Afghanistan and bringing pressure upon her to adopt a policy in regard to Pakistan which she might not otherwise have done." This quote was important then, and things have not really changed over the years for the relationship between Pakistan and India. Pakistan's foreign ministry has warned if India uses Afghanistan against Pakistan, they will not be silent. The war between Pakistan, India, and Afghanistan has been going on for decades. Pakistan sees India as a threat because of the past wars they have fought. They are afraid that India will join with Afghanistan to take over Pakistan. Some of this fear comes from the partnership agreement Afghanistan signed with India in October of 2011. Afghanistan asked for India's help in training their military officers. India had trained some of their military officers at its defense colleges previous to the agreement. India is also one of the largest investors in Afghanistan. They have invested around $2 million in aid since 2002. This aid has not been provided for ill. It has provided assistance with building highways, roads, government buildings, health clinics, doctors, and scholarships for Afghan students to study in India. This aid has provided to help build the infrastructure of Afghanistan and not to build up a military against Pakistan. India and Afghanistan did have a military relationship in 2007 that was limited to training Afghan security in weapons handling, map reading, and staff work. In 2009, when Afghans' relations with the United States didn't work out, they reached out and tried to improve their relationships with India, China, and Russia. In 2014, Afghanistan approached India with a weapons wish list, and more than 1,400 Afghans were sent to India for military training. India and Afghanistan also have ties because India wants to use Afghanistan's gateway to Central Asian markets and energy resources. Pakistan, however, will not let India have open transit trade through its country. This has forced India to trade with Iran. Afghanistan struggles with their ties to Pakistan because they know that Pakistan is harboring terrorists. They claim that Pakistan provides sanctuaries to outcast members of the Taliban and those who support them. Afghan leaders are also resentful of the Pakistani view that Pakistanis know what is best for the people of Afghanistan. Pakistani forces arrested Taliban leaders who had opened peace talks with Afghanistan and provided a sanctuary for fighters involved in insurgency in Afghanistan. During this time, Afghan policies became more pro-Indian. Pakistan denies the charges of harboring terrorists. A spokesman for Pakistan's foreign ministry said, "We do not allow our own soil to be used against any country, and we do not like to see any other country's soil to be used against Pakistan. Pakistan knows and has the capability to defend its interests, defend its territories, and will take all measure to safeguard our interests. The United States, however, says that unless Pakistan makes a decisive shift in its policy, the war on terrorism will not succeed." Pakistan wants to avoid being encircled by India and Afghanistan. They feel as though these countries combined forces, they would be in danger. This feud between Pakistan, India, and Afghanistan has been going on since the Cold War. It appears that there will be little hope for a future agreement that makes everyone happy. If you'd like to know more about the triangle involving Pakistan, India, and Afghanistan, please check out this website. It has a lot of great information. And I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Here are my sources. Thank you for watching.